The Nike Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro perspective revives one of Kobe Bryant's most artistic and meaningful designs. Originally launched as a high top in the 2010s, this colorway was inspired by Pablo Picasso's Blue Period, symbolizing Kobe's creative mindset and pursuit of mastery on the basketball court. Now reintroduced in a low-cut Protro version, it mirrors the classic Mamba style while integrating modern updates like React cushioning and improved traction for enhanced performance. The shoe's striking teal and yellow-green Flyknit upper captures the same kaleidoscopic artistry of its original muse, blending visual flair with elite-level function. Following iconic debuts such as the Mambacita and Halo, this release continues the Kobe 9's resurgence in Nike's Protro lineup. Fans can look forward to its arrival on December 3rd, priced at $220, a perfect tribute merging history, innovation, and Kobe's enduring legacy of artistry in motion.